noticed your hair becoming thinner, weaker, or falling out more than usual? Or maybe your skin feels drier, less firm, and not as glowing as it used to be. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. These changes are very common during menopause, and they can feel frustrating, especially when they seem to happen so suddenly. But here's the truth. Your body is not failing you. It's changing. And once you understand why these changes happen, you can take steps to manage them and feel confident again. In this video, we'll explore why menopause causes hair loss and skin changes, and more importantly, what you can do to improve both naturally and effectively. Let's start with what's happening inside your body. During menopause, estrogen levels drop significantly. Estrogen plays a key role in maintaining healthy hair growth and skin elasticity. When estrogen decreases, hair growth slows down, and hair follicles become weaker. This can lead to thinning hair, increased shedding, and even noticeable hair loss in some cases. At the same time, another hormone called androgens becomes more dominant. These hormones can shrink hair follicles, making hair thinner and more fragile over time. Now let's talk about your skin. Estrogen is also responsible for collagen production. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. When collagen production decreases, your skin can become thinner, drier, and more prone to wrinkles. You may also notice a loss of elasticity, making your skin feel less tight than before. Another factor is reduced oil production. Your skin produces less natural oil during menopause, which leads to dryness and sometimes irritation. But here's the good news. There are effective ways to improve both your hair and skin health during this phase. Let's start with hair care. Number 1, nourish your body with the right nutrients. Healthy hair starts from within. Your body needs essential nutrients like protein, iron, biotin, and omega-3 fatty acids to support hair growth. Include foods like eggs, nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and fish in your diet. These provide the building blocks your hair needs to grow stronger and healthier. Number 2, be gentle with your hair. During menopause, your hair becomes more fragile, so it's important to handle it with care. Avoid excessive heat styling, tight hairstyles, and harsh chemical treatments. These can weaken your hair further and increase breakage. Number 3, choose the right hair products. Look for shampoos and conditioners that are designed for thinning or dry hair. Products with natural ingredients and nourishing oils can help improve hair texture and reduce dryness. Number 4, manage stress. Stress is a major contributor to hair loss. High stress levels can push hair follicles into a resting phase, leading to increased shedding. Practicing relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing can help reduce stress and support hair health. Now let's move on to skincare. Number 5, keep your skin hydrated. Since your skin produces less natural oil, it's important to use a good moisturizer. Look for products that contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramides. These help retain moisture and keep your skin soft and smooth. Number 6, protect your skin from the sun. Sun damage can accelerate skin aging, especially during menopause. Using sunscreen daily can help protect your skin from harmful UV rays and prevent further damage. Number 7, support collagen production. While collagen naturally decreases with age, certain habits can help support its production. Eating vitamin C-rich foods, staying hydrated, and using skincare products with retinol or peptides can help improve skin firmness over time. Number 8, stay hydrated internally. Drinking enough water is essential for both your skin and hair. Hydration helps maintain skin elasticity and supports overall health. Number 9, consider lifestyle changes. Smoking, poor diet, and lack of sleep can all negatively impact your hair and skin. Making small improvements in your daily habits can lead to noticeable changes over time. Number 10, be patient and consistent. Results won't happen overnight, but with consistent care, you can improve the health of your hair and skin. It's also important to adjust your expectations. Your body is going through a natural transition, and perfection is not the goal. The goal is to feel healthy, confident, and comfortable in your own skin. Menopause may change your appearance, but it doesn't take away your beauty. In fact, this can be a time to focus on self-care and rediscover what makes you feel good. With the right approach, you can maintain healthy hair, glowing skin, and a strong sense of confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to MenoCalm for more simple and practical menopause tips. And tell me in the comments, what changes have you noticed the most in your hair or skin? You're not alone in this journey.